Did you know that the air inside your car could be making you sick? A dirty cabin filter can lead to chronic health problems. The cabin filter is responsible for keeping the air inside your car clean and fresh. If it's not changed on time, it can become clogged with dust, pollen, and other allergens, leading to respiratory problems. Changing the cabin filter is a simple process that can be done by most car owners. The passengers, especially those with chronic health conditions like asthma, allergies, and lung disease. Not changing the cabin filter means that hazardous airborne particles can enter the car's cabin. This can make chronic health problems worse, leading to more frequent hospital visits and a decreased quality of life. Most vehicle owners hesitate in changing the cabin filter on time, thinking it's a job for the car dealer. But you can save money and protect your health by doing it yourself. Now, the air inside the car is clean and fresh. By changing the cabin filter on time, you can help prevent chronic health problems and improve the air quality inside your car. So, if you want to keep yourself and your passengers healthy, change the cabin filter on time. Subscribe for more helpful tips.